Hello students, this is the third part of your chapter End of Bipolarity. If you have all seen the chapter End of Bipolarity part 2, I have explained till the consequences of shock therapy. In consequences of shock therapy, you have seen that after the disintegration all those independent republics were in the severe problem that were being faced by the people. There were no government, so because of that, reason became the reason of conflicts. Now the main points are here. In Russia, two republics, Chechnya and Dagestan, had violent secessionist movements. Now question is, what is secessionist movement? When any part of the country wants to move away, this is secessionist movement. And problem was that Russian government ruthlessly crushed and bombarding on it, and because of these bombarding, it came into limelighting in the United Nations. Next, Tajikistan, it is a Central Asian republic, and it is witness of civil war for 10 years till 2001. Third is Azerbaijan. It was the area of Soviet Union. In Azerbaijan, Armenians wanted to secede and join Armenia. Now see what happened in Czechoslovakia and Yugoslovakia. These were not the part of USSR. These were the satellite states of USSR, and then Czechoslovakia split into two parts, Czech and Slovak, and Yugoslovakia in 1991 split into 6 republics. After that, where the conflicts happened, that was Central Asian republics. But the nature of conflict is different. Here you can see the nature of conflict is internal. But in Central Asia, something is happened was different. It was all for the natural resources. We can also say it was resource conflict. Tension and conflicts in the Central Asia. Central Asia is very rich in hydrocarbon and natural resources, and when hydrocarbon and natural resources are abounded in the region, then obviously it will become a region of competition between outside powers. These are very near to Russia, China, Afghanistan, Pakistan. All these powers, including USA, started and tried to control this region. So this region became zone of competition between the outside powers and the big oil companies. They all wanted to control on this region. After the 9/11 incident, you will study about this in chapter 3rd. US made military bases in the region and paid the governments of Central Asia to allow US airplanes to fly over their territory in war with Iraq and Afghanistan. So much of interference of US, will Russia like it? Russia didn't like it. And the point of view of Russia is that, however, Russia treats these countries as near abroad and believes that they should be under Russian influence. And next is Indo-Russia relation. If we go into history, the relation of India with the USSR was very strong. We had a strong relation, and this relation was not only the level of government, it was on the level of people. Indo-Russian relations are abundant in a history of trust and common interest, and are matched by popular perceptions. Indian heroes from Raj Kapoor to Amitabh Bachchan are household names in Russia and many post-Soviet countries. Russia and India share a vision of a multipolar world order. More than 80 bilateral agreements have been signed between India and Russia as a part of the Indo-Russian Strategic Agreement of 2001. India stands to benefit from its relationship with Russia on issues like Kashmir, energy supply, sharing information, terrorism, access to Central Asia, and balancing its relations with China. India and Russia ties up to focus on business first, and Russia how it benefit from India because India is second largest arms market for Russia. India is an oil importing nation and Russia is an exporting nation. So whenever we face oil crisis, Russia has come to existence. Energy resources, I told you, we are seeking with Russia along with Russia's two post-Soviet republics, Kazakhstan and Turkmenistan, are also supplying us energy resources. Then, most importantly, on nuclear energy plants. Nuclear energy plants are Russia is very important to us. It is important for us space industry by giving cryogenic rocket. So India and Russia is share a very strong relationship. Together with this, the chapter has come to be end.